guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can lock our screen by the creativity. If somebody have already seen the password, so we do not need to change our password. So this is very fantastic app. This is time app and also as well the passcode app. Okay, so when you will install your application, it will ask you the allow, so you have to click on allow. So if you want to put the lock on your applications, so you can put here as well. Okay guys, if you want to put the password, you can put here. I do not want to put. And if you want to lock your screen, so you have to click on lock your screen. So it will ask you pattern lock, time lock and passcode lock. So I will on the passcode lock, and this is telling the example that the time is 1:27, so you have to put 0127. Okay, and if the time is we can say the 3 p.m. or 3:27 p.m, so you have to put the 15:27 p.m. Okay, so in this way you have to do. So I have already launched the password, so let me open this. Now you can see the screen, the time is 16:20. Okay, and in my mobile phone the time is 4:20, so I have to put the time 16:20, so it will be open. So this is very fantastic. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.